Hey beauties, welcome back. So finally doing another look using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault collection, and I am using the Dark Magic palette. So first I pretty much just prime my lids with the Morphe base. I actually really like it. This is about my third time using it and it's pretty good. I do like it. I'm laying the tape down because we're gonna do a double wing kind of effect, like with the negative space. If you follow me on Instagram, I did this look before and asked you guys should I film it, and you loved it. So here it is. So I'm just using that bone color shade in the palette, putting that on my brow bone area, and then I'm gonna take that taupey brown color. I'm using that as my transition shade first, and I'm placing it in the shape that I want it. So I want it to kind of wing out a bit. And just some feedback on the palette, I did really enjoy this palette. I didn't have any issues as far as blending goes. Everything blended really nicely. And the only thing that I would say, and I don't know if it's just because of the way I placed it, excuse my son in the background, but I don't know if it was the way I placed the lid color, and also if it was because I did try to kind of clean it up on top with the pillowy space, but it kind of started to fade where the top part was. So all of the pigment definitely like stuck onto the lid, but just where it kind of ended started to fade into a light blue, like if the shadow was just kind of coming off. But yeah, like again, I don't know if it was just because I added more of the pillowy base on top of that just to clean up that area where I was putting the glitter. But yeah, so far I like it. But as you guys see here, I put that second shade into the crease with a smaller brush, and I do go back and forth as always, you guys, you know, to, what is it called, make sure everything is blended evenly. But here's what I'm talking about. So you see the area where it's a lot lighter, so where the base stops, it didn't want to grab for some reason. Like the pigment just didn't want to grab in that area, but it grabbed everywhere else. So that's the only part that kind of like just faded out, but it kind of gave it a cool effect. So I was cool with it. We're gonna do glitter. I believe I did liner and lashes off camera, and most of my face off camera because it's the same thing as always. The glitter that I'm using is from Cutie Pop Glitter. Go ahead and follow her on Instagram. That way you guys can get a hold of all the glitters that she creates. She creates some amazing mixes. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you guys have any questions down below, please let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions on any videos that you guys would like me to see, any products you want me to try out, let me know down in the comment section as well. And a little bit of singing for you guys as well in this video. But yeah, follow me on all of my other social media platforms, and I'll see y'all in the next one.